How to deactivate Instagram account and activate it again. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the Account Center option and under the Account Settings tab, you will see the Personal Details option. Tap on that and then tap on the Account Ownership and Control option and further tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, select the Deactivate Account option and tap on the Continue button. You will then be required to enter your account's password, so go ahead and enter your account's password and tap on the Continue button, and then select a reason for why you are deleting your account and then tap on the Continue button again. Finally, when prompted, tap on the Deactivate Account button again, and with this, your deactivation will be successful. Make sure that you can only deactivate your account for 30 days. After that, your account will be deleted automatically after 30 days. However, if you open your account before 30 days by simply entering your login credentials, then your account will be activated automatically and the deactivation will end. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.